Welcome back to Guga Food, guys. Today we got charcoal against wood. Which one makes a better steak? Now, I personally like them both. I love charcoal and I love wood, but I have never done a side-by-side comparison to find out which one I prefer it best. And there's only one way to find out. I gotta make this happen. Check it out. There's nothing better than a sizzling steak ready to be eaten. Since I eat a lot of steak, I cook both wood and charcoal all the time, but I want to stop one of them, and today I'm gonna find out which one is best for me. For today's cook, I'm going to be using lump charcoal. Now, in order to cook the steaks exactly the right temperature, I need to use something that can control the temperature very well. And wood is very unpredictable, so I am going to be using a pellet cooker with pellets, which is the same thing as wood, but in a compressed version so that I can maintain the exact temperature. In order to stay consistent with the meat, I am cutting 2 COWBOY's ribeye steaks from this rib roast. I'm only seasoning them with salt and pepper, and now it's time to cook them up, so let's do it. Our steaks is looking great and it's ready to sear them. Now I'm going to be using my favorite method so far for searing. And I know what you're gonna say, but you're gonna use the charcoal on the wood too? Not exactly. The sear is so quick and it takes about 15 to 30 seconds, believe it or not. So there's no way that you get that charcoal favorite transition when you're searing it this quickly. Here's the deal, I got a lot of questions before. Oh, how did you make it? Guys, this is already made. I basically just cut it out. The only reason I cut it out is because my steak was so massive it would not fit. The bone would have gone inside, so I just cut it out. But you definitely don't have to. You can just put it right on top if your steaks fit and you'll be absolutely fine. And then I got another question. Guga, why didn't you just put it on top? The reason I didn't put on top is because it just flares up. So I want to avoid the flares. By doing that on the bottom, you can do it. Now there's a secret. You have to use lump, because if you use briquettes, you're just gonna ash out your entire steak. And if you use lump, you shake it all out right before you're searing it, and there's no ashes whatsoever. But enough talking, let me show it to you how this works, and we're gonna try these babies and we'll see which one is better. Let's do it. We got our steaks ready, and I got the boys here. Are you guys ready to try this?
Oh, man.
Oh, they're looking good, huh? They are so perfect. They look like they were sous vide, but they were not. But anyway, okay, so we got A and B. I want your honest opinion, which one you guys like better. I know they look very similar to each other, but there's a slight difference. Enough talking, let's try it. Let's do it. Ooh, they look so juicy.
Oh my god. That
Isn't
really
that? Wow, that one is good. What do you think, Andrew? Were you going for seconds? Hold on, bro.
I can't stop.
What do you think? No, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
You gotta let them know what it tastes like.
It tastes kind of like it's smoked or something.
Smoked? Really?
Yeah,
Interesting. Whoa, 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 stop! Put that down, please. Let's go for the next one. Let's give the second one a try. I understand you like this one, but let's go for that one. All right, let's go. Ooh, this one is so tender.
Man, this one is soft.
Oh, boy.
Alright, now you gotta tell me what happened here.
Angel, which one do you like better, A or B?
Yeah, number B is the best.
Bro, hands down, like not even. Oh my god.
All right, so here's the deal, guys. I have done this way. I have done it that way several times. Let me tell them what it is. This one was with real wood and it was smoked. This one was with charcoal.
Oh, okay.
Which one you guys like better?
The charcoal.
There's no comparison. For steak, guys, I definitely recommend doing a charcoal. It beats it every time. I gotta tell you, this one is delicious though.
Oh yeah.
This one is delicious. But when you put it side by side, charcoal wins hands down. You guys agree?
Yeah, blows it out of the water.
I agree 100%. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is on the description down below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Now we're gonna enjoy our steaks.